You've already packaged this, right? You've already packaged that, right? And then the packaging. And that's why alright, so you will come and provide this to them.
Hello.
These are already bagged.
We've been bagging for hours.
Okay, so what I'm saying, you have to divide them now by 11, and then each one carry theirs and go. So the ones you've already packed, you just divide them into 11, all right, and let them just pick. And the ones that are left, divide them also 11.
Right now, sir. I need to.
So we divide by 11. Don't open anymore, okay? Alright, don't open anymore.